The 5 most crowded islands on Earth. From an island microslum in Colombia to a hot enclave in central Paris, the 5 most crowded islands in the world bear scant similarities in class or culture. In fact, every entry in the top 5 comes from a different country. But being island, each shares the common trait of scarcity, whether it be land, resources, or housing. In general, these islands are prophetical microcosm for an overcrowded earth. Finite spaces where self-sufficiency governs and demand pierces supply. With the world's population racing higher and higher and the Megacities Club accepting new members yearly, someday the Earth could bear the traits of one of these densely packed islands. Number 5 is the eBay Island, also known as Marshall Island. Population is 15,000. People per square kilometer is 41,667. When the United States decided to test nuclear weapons in the South Pacific, they chose to do so amongst the atolls of the Marshall Island. US officials uprooted many residents from Bikini Atoll and Eniwetok Atoll to ensure that the testing did not directly harm human life. The relocated Marshallese had to move somewhere, and most moved to eBay under the assistance of the United States. This forced relocation caused a huge mess, including a severe housing shortage and landowner legality issues that persist even today. The combination of factors created an environment of hostility and squalor, creating the slum of the South Pacific. Number 4 is the Maldives. Population is 1,03,693. People per square kilometer is 53,121. The Maldives is one of Asia's top tourist destinations, with 26 atolls and 1,192 islands offering beach perfection. At its center is the capital city, Male. Male is a humbly sized island of just a couple square miles. It is stuffed full of people, hotel, mosque, and office towers that efficiently utilize the scarce land resources. While landfills have reclaimed some land from the sea, most progress is made vertically rather than horizontally. The modern downtown island in the middle of the Indian Ocean is a stark aberration from the deserted island that dot most of the Maldives. Number 3 is Apalachao, Hong Kong. Population is 86,782. People per square kilometer is 66,755. Hong Kong is a land of 1,000 towers, clustered most densely on the island of Apalachao, just southwest of Hong Kong Island. Apalachao served as the settlement for Hong Kong Village, theorized to be the etymological source for the famous large territory of Hong Kong. Strangely, Apalachao translates to Duck Tongue Island, said to be named for the island shape. It is filled with high-rise residences and even a winery. Number 2 is Migingo Island, Kenya. Population is only 400. People per square kilometer is 1 lakh. The Bantam slum in the middle of Lake Victoria is a fishing village perched precariously on half a spare of rock. The residents take in large hauls of the Nile perch, a poster boy from river monsters that can grow to a comedically large size. Migingo is famous for a decade-old dispute between Kenya and Uganda over the sovereignty of the small island. There is even a Facebook page where individuals can like, declaring the island Kenya. The page has twice as many followers as there are residents on Migingo. Uganda agrees with this claim. Most of the time, though the tiny rock island is not the issue, the fishing rights are. Number 1 is Santa Cruz del Islote, Colombia. Population is 1,247. People per square kilometer is 1,24,700. The most densely populated island in the world is a microslum off the coast of Colombia. This tropical island is located in the emerald waters of the idyllic Caribbean, though is packed so tight that most activities are done off island. Schooling, football, graveyard, and work all take place away from Santa Cruz del Islote. The island park is the size of a small tennis court, and fresh water must be shipped in by Colombian Navy ships. Santa Cruz del Islote also does not have electricity. What the island Fabula does have is people, lots of them. To visit the world's most packed island, hop on a ferry from Tolu. The nearby hotel of Punta Faro can arrange tours of the island. So those are the 5 most crowded islands on earth. We hope you have enjoyed this video as much as we have while making it for you guys. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell for more videos like this.